Cobalt's gonna get it cracking. Popping like bacon.
I got 2 in there.
Pingus. 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 What's up, Frenchie? What's going on, man? It's your old buddy Booster. The acidic roots is here too, alright. You ready to, I'll shut this door for you, but you ready to get down and play some Punch Out? Nice little door here. Yeah. Go ahead and... Alright, so I'm thinking you want to try and mess with Soda Popinski, see if we can beat him. So I know that he's been kind of giving acidic roots some trouble. He's a toughie there, but I'm ready. I'm definitely. Let's see what you got. There he is. What a brute from the USSR. Frenchie versus Soda Pop. He's an ass clown. You can definitely tell that. Pingus. Cobalt's gonna get down to business. He could pull off a bouncer, you know, that sort of vibe. He's going out for Friday night. He's gonna do some Liddy shit, you know. You can see the money signs in his eyes. Alright, so we've got something cooking up in the kitchen. Frenchie likes what he sees. He's got some baked beans right there. You give it a whiff, French. Yeah, good, nice and tasty. We're gonna munch on that. We're gonna get our grub on, you know. I've got to crack my knuckles too. It's gonna be good. The big and tasty, you know, from old McDonald's days. The tasties. We're gonna get a good source of fiber, you know. You need more fiber in your diet. Helps with toilet affairs. Alright, so we're getting ready to head out. Cobalt's got. He mentioned something to me. So, there's something I need, Cobalt.
Yeah, this gum.
All right, I'll take it with me. Probably will need it. You know, we've got plenty of things we're getting ready to do. So, all right.